Okay, let's have a look at Lagrima and talk about some of the things that could make it possibly sound smoother, better. Right off the bat, this little thing, right? If you want less of that string noise, here's the fingering, right? First finger, but then second finger on F sharp and G sharp, and then you're home free once you get to the B7, right? That could clean up a lot of that string noise, right? You have your pinky down here, so transition to this high chord, and look at how I'm fingering this. You keep the bar on the 9th fret and just drag the pinky back from E to D sharp. You already have all the other notes there. You can maintain a bar on the 7th fret for the next chord that's still using the pinky. So watch. Pinky, 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 then lift there. I still have the bar on the 7th fret, notice. Then transition to the C sharp, strings 3, fret 6. You can make that sound silky smooth by using open string 1. Here's my F sharp on string 2, fret 7. And don't put that A down until you have to. So you hear all that, all that delicious ringing. Then you're home free. When you begin the next section, use your second finger for the G natural, right? Because you're gonna slide with that finger and do the pull off. You got all this stuff. When you go up to the 12th fret, here's your A. You could, if you can't reach that, just drag it like that. Here's your F sharp, right? So A, C sharp, F sharp is right there, string 5 fret 9. A, string 2 fret 10. So then your B chord is right there. You only need the D sharp and the bar on the 7th fret. And you're doing string 6, 3, and 2. B, D sharp, F sharp. Right, there's your B and your C. String 4 fret 9, 4 fret 10. Then the second B is going to be open string 2 for this thing. Da, da, dee, da, da, da. And you're fine with all that, I think. Da, da, bum, bum. Okay, if you need anything though, hit me anytime with questions. Thanks for watching.